Hello, welcome to my champs. So today we're gonna be doing Gmux again. Let me just fix my camera. I'll start to put it right here. But so today we're gonna be doing Gmux, but you might think my background's different, and we haven't been doing much videos for our channel because like at the end of our YouTube channel, like our previous videos, we couldn't have we couldn't have uploaded videos because we've actually been moving, and as you can see, we're in a new house, and a pool, and the shed, and we have a shed. The house is nice, but let's just get to the problem. So, so, how many minutes are in 8 hours? So, we're just gonna answer that question. So every minute or every hour has 60 minutes in it or 60 seconds. So a minute has 60 seconds in it. So 1 minute is how much, but so 1 minute. So now we're not gonna be doing like one or like seconds. We're gonna be doing minutes instead. So how much minutes fit in hours? So that would be 60. So now you have to do that 8 times. So it's just like saying 6 times 8, except for it's 60. So, so, so 6 times, so this is another easy way to do it. I learned this in my school. So this is a quick strategy to do it. So you could do this. So like 8 plus 3 would equal 8y. So if you're doing times that like this, you could do this. So 6 times 8. So you could just divide the 3. So now that would be 5. So 6 times 5 would equal 30, right? So that would be 300 because that would be minutes. So now what's 6 times 3? So that would be 180. So 300 plus 180. So that would be 480. So let's see. 480. So now we're going to do how much is 4 hours. This is going to be more easier. Well, I'll just use the same strategy. So what? So two times. So 6. Well, 6 times 2. So 6 times 2 would equal 12. But now since it's gonna be 60, that means it's gonna be 120 because it's 60 and it's way bigger than 6. So now it's gonna be, now we add another 2, that would equal 4. So 6 times another 2, and then 6 times another 2 would equal another 12 or 120. So now, if you plus those 2, that means it will be the answer to 4 hours. So that's actually a good strategy of doing it. So now let's do it. So 12, 120 plus 120 would equal 240. Well, I'm sorry that, I'm still gonna do another lesson, but I didn't use a clock, so I forgot to use a clock because this is kind of useful. So now we're gonna use a clock. So how many seconds are in 7 minutes? So if you already know how to use a clock and like you're a 3rd or 4th grader, you would know that each minute, see these dots? That represents 1 minute. But also with the littlest hand but the longest hand, the second hand, if you see that on the clock or if you guys have it, that means each dot represents a second, and that would be the 5th second for the clock. But you see, so each minute for the clock, see, look at, if see how this is this the second hand. So if I spin this up against the whole entire clock, then that would be 1 minute. Because out of all these, including the numbers and the dots, that's 60 of the numbers and dots. So that means that would equal a minute. And as you can see, if you know it's a minute, that means okay, that's the first minute. And if I do it again, then look it will move on to the next second, a minute. That means each time it goes around the clock, it means the minute. So let's put that in. So now we're just gonna do it. So 60. So now that's actually a quick way to do it, and that's how you know if you're waiting for a while but you don't know how to tell the clock, even though it's easier to tell on the laptop. That's what I had a problem with. But now, if you're like my age, then you will have a problem with it. But now, if you know if it spins around the whole thing, and this moves to the dot, that means it's another minute. So now, let's use the same strategy. So 5 times. Let's do 5 times 6. So 5 times 6 would equal 300, right? So now it's 6 times 2. 6 times 2 would equal 120. So 300 plus 120. So that would be 420. So after this lesson, we're just going to end this video. So how many seconds are in 3 minutes? So look at, so you could pretty much just do this. Look at 1, 2, and then 3, and that would be 3 minutes. So now you know that. So now this question would be easy. So it would be 180. So let's press enter. So let's just wait for this to go. So now we're done with the video, unfortunately. But if you see this video, then you know that we live in a new house now. But I'm gonna see if I could turn on the comments, see if you guys like it. So thank you for watching Math Champs, and please subscribe. Thank you for everything, and I'll see you next time, Math Champs. Bye.